We've looked at the pedal, now let's look at the user interface. The graphical interface can be viewed on an iPhone or iPad, or Android phone or tablet, or on a laptop or desktop running macOS or Windows or Linux. This uses a standard virtual network computing interface connected by either wireless or to a local area network by wired Ethernet, and it's also possible to connect directly to an HDMI display and use the USB mouse and keyboard. Here is what we see on the display. I've now connected one pedal each of the MS series, the 1 series and the G series to show some differences. I also have some other devices connected, and I'll mention these as we come to them. Along the top of the display is the main control strip. This includes several buttons which call up a secondary control strip directly below. Then there is a MIDI I/O section which has an interface to control any connected MIDI device. You are not limited to controlling just zoom pedals. The OTG MIDI interface always appears. This is the built-in MIDI controller interface. More on this later. Below that are the zoom pedal control interfaces, which can be expanded to show effect details. You can do that by clicking on the pedal name, which then also retracts the display, or by clicking on the scroll indicator above the thumbnail for each effect, which also moves that effect to below the cursor. Clicking on the effect thumbnails will toggle the effect on and off. In the expanded view, the parameters of each effect can be altered using mouse or touch screen, or assigned to an expression pedal, or programmed to a foot switch. There is no limitation on the number of expression pedal assignments, or on which parameters can be assigned to a foot switch or expression pedal, or to the number of changes that can be made by a single operation of a foot switch. Next, I'll look a little closer at these individual pedal controls.